Classroom experience here is very different from what we used to study as in India. Like, it's not just the professor saying and we just listening and noting it down. It is very interactive. We are always asking questions, we are discussing all the topics, and everybody has a different take on the things, and it's actually very knowledgeable. And the thing is that everything is presented in such an interesting way that you remember it. You don't need to mug up anything. There is no requirement of like writing long exams like we used to do in India. Here it's very eased out and planned out in a way that you can actually gain knowledge, and you don't have to be always with a pen and a paper just making notes and carrying heavy big books. It's nothing like that. The classroom experience is so different that you feel that you're actually sitting in a place where you can gain knowledge and you can apply it, and it's equally practical. It's not just noting down things. As I said, that the classroom sessions are like, there are a lot of videos involved, there are a lot of resources that are given to us to self learn, and to and the availability of asking questions. It's very like people are reachable at the university. It's easy to contact anyone at any time. Nobody here is shy of asking anything, even if it's like the smallest of things. Nobody here says that, okay, why you don't know this, you are in a master's degree. It's not like that. You can ask anything, and it's very interesting to be there and to actually gain knowledge. It's very interesting and it's very nice.